I just hurt my finger, so
I built one.
millions of people around the world don't have full control over their hands, whether it be due to injury, illness, or birth conditions. And that's my mission, to create a prosthetic arm that can be controlled with your mind. Now, what have I been up to recently? Finally got my things in the mail. I got a Metal Gear Servo, which I hope is an upgrade from my previous one, and a Muse headband. The BCI, which theoretically lets me control things with my brain. Or so I hoped. Turns out, the lack of documentation made it nearly impossible to interpret anything useful beyond blinking. Even that was a struggle. But, of course, since I'm a genius, I made it work. I was borrowing the Muse headband anyways, so I figured, why not build my own BCI? I ordered this device from AliExpress, and after some questionable soldering, I placed electrodes on my head, but no matter what I did, I got zero output. Instead of wasting more time, I just decided to apply for an open BCI donation. Well, that seems like it'll take a while. Well, while I wait for that, I went back to the EEG simulation. This time, I connected 2 servos and fine-tuned the movement to match a real hand. Then came the modeling. Something I've been meaning to learn. I used Onshape, which made it really easy to model. But actually figuring out how to make a good design for a functional part, not so easy. My first 3D print didn't even fit. But instead of wasting more filament, I hot glued it together and adjusted the design for the next try. Once I printed everything out, the project is finished. Now, it doesn't exactly look like a finger, but stick in a glove, pretty close. Next step, building the full hand. Stay tuned.